Have you ever pondered why understanding verb forms in English holds such significance? What if we told you that having a firm grasp of these forms can be the key to unlocking fluency and proficiency in English? It's time to delve into the world of English verb forms. First up is the verb be. It transforms into was or were in the past tense and been in the past participle. Next is become. It morphs into became in the past and retains its form as become in the past participle. Following this, we have begin, which changes to began in the past and begun in the past participle. Then we come across bring, which turns into brought both in the past tense and past participle. Choose is another interesting verb. It evolves into chose in the past and chosen in the past participle. The verb come simply becomes came in the past and reverts back to come in the past participle. Do is a common verb that changes to did in the past and done in the past participle. Drink is next on our list. It changes to drank in the past and drunk in the past participle. Drive turns into drove in the past and driven in the past participle. Eat becomes ate in the past and eaten in the past participle. Fall changes to fell in the past and fallen in the past participle. Fly becomes flew in the past and flown in the past participle. Forget turns into forgot in the past and forgotten in the past participle. Forgive changes to forgave in the past and forgiven in the past participle. Get becomes got in the past and gotten in the past participle. Give changes to gave in the past and given in the past participle. Go becomes went in the past and gone in the past participle. Have changes to had, both in the past tense and past participle. Keep becomes kept both in the past tense and past participle. Know changes to knew in the past and known in the past participle. Lay turns into laid both in the past tense and past participle. Lastly, leave becomes left both in the past tense and past participle. Understanding these verb forms is crucial in English. It not only aids in constructing accurate sentences but also enhances comprehension. Moreover, it allows for effective communication, as different verb forms can change the meaning of a sentence. Knowledge of these forms is also essential for academic and professional English. So remember, mastering these verb forms can be your stepping stone to mastering English.